the outskirts of Moscow, the Russian team is preparing for the International Aviation and Space Salon. This is a major air show that's going to take place at the end of August, and there's going to be air tech and pilots from countries all over the globe. No doubt the pilots are going to be showing off their best stunts for this event, and we were lucky enough to get invited onto a plane to join one of those pilots. So I hope you're not afraid of heights.
And now you can try.
Okay. What
Just take it and straight flight.
Okay.
All right. Okay. And a bit
Down.
Okay. Yeah.
What back?
Yeah. No. And up. And straight. Oh.
Wow. That's really cool. I'm flying a
When you
plane.
push, we go descend. When
Okay.
you pull, we go up.
After we returned in one piece, our pilot Konstantin told us all about the International Aviation and Space Salon.
I have been training for more than 10 years, and I've been in the pilot team for 4 years. The air show includes the MAKS Cup, featuring aerobatics performances and the standard maneuvers at championships, rolls and loops, etc. The international tournament features competitors from many European countries and non-European countries, including the US. The air show is not a contest. The contest happens at the championship, with the aerobatics and other events. So at the air show, each group shows its skills, and the spectators decide for themselves what they like. Of course, we will show what we do best and what's new.